Well, we're back with another tropics update for Tropical Storm Idalia now. As we have been monitoring this over the course of the past week, it has continued to strengthen. So right now it is off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, situated in between Cuba and that eastern tip of Mexico. So let's take a look at the track of what it has for the latest advisory that just came out at 8 p.m. as you see behind me. Right now it possesses winds of about 45 miles an hour, which is typical of a tropical storm, but this is expected to strengthen as it makes its way into the warmer Gulf water off the coast or the west coast of Florida. So as you can see, it's expected to become a Category 1 hurricane around midday tomorrow on Monday, and then as we get even into Tuesday, the latest models have it strengthening to a Category 2 hurricane right before it makes landfall somewhere on the western Florida coast. Now, it could very well make landfall anywhere from about Apalachicola all the way up here on the tip of this panhandle right here, or it could go all the way down and trek further eastward and southeastward, rather, I should say, around Tampa. So widespread discrepancy about where this storm is going to make landfall, but how does it pose a threat for us here in central Georgia? So you can see the timestamps have it about midday Wednesday making its way through southeast Georgia. So we're looking at the eye or the center of this storm to move to our southeast. So that is a sign of good news, because when hurricanes do make their way through that northeast quadrant, so kind of gridded out into 4 different sections, the northeastern side of a hurricane possesses the strongest winds and the most devastating effects. So the eye is supposed to pass us to the southeast. We're looking to get the western side of this hurricane or tropical storm, whatever it may be when it gets to us. So we are hopefully only looking at some heavy downpours and rain accumulation. Nonetheless, widespread flooding is going to be an issue associated with this tropical storm, as it will dump lots and lots of rain on us, and there will be storm surge effects for the coast of Florida, maybe even coastal Georgia as it moves up through the southeast. We'll continue to keep you updated here on 13WMAZ.com, but right now we are still in tropical storm criteria, expecting this to become a Category 1 hurricane by midday tomorrow, and then continue to strengthen as it goes through our warm Gulf water. So be sure to keep your eye on the tropics, stay weather aware. I'm meteorologist Alex Pry with your tropics update.